Okay.
Okay, Arthur, I have a question from the client, that the potential client that are the new startup broker, and they say that, okay, I read your presentation, I have full confidence on your product, I love your company, and I love to run the broker business. Money is not a problem. I have money. If I pay today, why cannot you install your software tomorrow, and you take a cycle time for 3-4 months for the white label, if you say that that is a ready-made solution?
I see. Thank you, Steve, for such question. Yeah, I have money. Bring me now.
Right now,
Yeah, right now. Yeah, okay. Look, guys, I know this is pretty common question, and because many people, they like to think that actually, if for example they have money, that everything should be immediately. But yes, it's ready-made solutions. But what's about your domain name? What's about all the legal stuff? What's about all the agreements, payments? What's about checklist? How it should work? Which I don't know even which entity should be behind that. Even which color should be on your, I don't know, trader's room. What kind of trading products you want to offer to your clients, and for that we need to create like specific groups for that, and include these particular groups that you chose to connect them to your groups as well. So that's why first step is to complete legal process, and it takes time. Then to complete payments, it takes time, because if you do crypto, it can be done immediately, almost immediately. But if you do normal bank transfers, then it takes 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Depends on the bank, depends on the jurisdiction. Then we should complete checklist. And many clients, they don't understand the checklist, what and where should be filled in. And that's why we have to explain them. That's why we have to go through all the presentations, explanations, and send them all the guidelines. And then eventually, after we obtained all this information, only after that we are able to start setup process. And setup also, unfortunately, takes time. Otherwise, if we would be selling potatoes here, no issues, But but it's we are not on the grocery store, and selling all these potatoes. It's technology products, and unfortunately, it's not even it's a SaaS solutions or like self-hosted solutions. But even that also sometimes you need time, and also I would answer Steve that all the best things require time. The only very something simple can be provided in a fast way.
Okay, I got it. Thank you, Arthur.
You are welcome.